Are you looking for the best remote vacuum cleaner? In this video we will look at some of the best remote vacuum cleaner on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. OKP Remote. The OKP K2 model remote vacuum cleaner is a smart cleaning companion that reaches all those spots you can't reach. Ideal for use on hardwood floors and low-pile carpets, this gadget is responsive to voice commands or app controls. Its cleaning modes include auto clean, spot clean, manual, and wall follow vacuuming. With a running time of 100 minutes on low suction, this robot vacuum will automatically find its docking station for a recharge when the battery is low. Your pets may love or hate this handy device, but your floors will be grateful for the gentle and consistent maintenance. This vacuum offers cleanliness and convenience, earning it the top spot on our list. Number 2. ILIFE Remote. The ILIFE Remote Vacuum Cleaner is super easy to use, with a manual function on the device to start it up, or you can choose from 3 cleaning modes on the remote control. This unit has been thoughtfully designed without a roller brush to prevent any tangling or clogging of pet hair, fluff, or carpet threads. You can preset a working time to get your cleaning companion into its daily cleaning routine, ensuring your floors are dirt-free when you get home from work. The clever unit has 10 front infrared sensors that detect stairs and avoid obstacles. Number 3. iRobot Roomba Remote Vacuum. The Roomba Remote Vacuum Cleaner is small but smart. Not only does the clever robot sense objects and stairs to avoid crashing and tumbling, but its dirt detect technology finds and cleans high-traffic areas more thoroughly. Its 3-stage cleaning system with dual surface brushes adapts to carpets, floors, corners, and edges. You can manually start the device or use the app to schedule cleaning functions.